It is one of the region's defining features, the jigsaw puzzle of municipalities in mid-North St. Louis County. Once the place of the post-war American dream, but over time many whites and then many blacks would move out of a suburban area with urban problems.
It didn't happen overnight and it won't be fixed overnight. But this is really the story of America.
One of the things that we love to do here is bring people and let's drive around. And I think what they're surprised at is this place is not monolithically poor. It's not monolithically, oh my God, all falling down.
What can we do to strengthen the resiliency that is there, fostering some of the strengths that are in place?
When the pandemic hit, we wasn't at work. And me and my sister, we always loved to cook. And one day we was like, what if we just start selling plates on Fridays?
If we value people as human beings and not see them as problems, people will find ways to thrive.
I was thinking the other day that my job at the school is to change the climate, change the conditions, and the culture at the school. I say, if you make one bad move on this chessboard, it could be the game.
We have 24 mayors, the whole community working together as one.
24-1 initiative is one of the cutting-edge efforts in the country to try to deal with institutional fragmentation and get things done.
There's a whole lot of 2 steps forward and 1 step back, sometimes 1 step forward and 2 steps back.
Normandy is coming back, and we see it all around us. So what we don't need is pity, we need partners.